bata na yan. What happened? Huh? Just had a bath. I was in the bathtub. I had a bath today. Laway-laway naman you. Bubbles. Bubbles in the mouth. Oy. Yoy. Oh. No, gutom na to. Gutom na. No, we're going to drink milk. Ganyan ang buhay dito, guys. So, pinaliguan na namin siya. Kainom na ng vitamin D. Nakadede na everything is good. Now, she's sleeping. Ang nanay, nagkamulitsig. But yeah, we have a lot of things to do in the house. We couldn't do it. It's okay. President is not coming every day. Is it like that? Oh, Nico always wants to sleep with Sarah, guys. Huh? You don't want to sleep with me anymore. Joke lang yun, guys. Because I need to wash the dishes and try to do some other things.
Joo, siellä on, ja ne sitten noi uudet vaatteet pitää pestä ja foldet, niin se on aika same mountain coming.
Same mountain coming, koko ayan.
You can show that mountain.
Mountain of clothes.
Is it the Everest?
No, we need somebody to volunteer to come to the house and fold the clothes, no?
I think they are not.
They will not volunteer.
No, they are not willing to come. Maybe one time, mutta kun se on joka päivä.
Only one time, but not every day. So they will have a nap. And I'm going to clean. Spring na talaga, guys. Nag-melt na rin yung snow dito. Ay, yung snow, yung ice dito sa lake. Tignan nyo. Dito tayo sa Lambi, guys. Kasi meron silang magandang lake dito. May mga floaters doon, oh. Kasi meron na fishing dyan. May nilagay sila dyan na yung katiska or yung cage nga para sa mga fish. Parang pain siya ba? Yan. Pag nagganyan ka ng fishing, yung may cage, meron yan siyang permit. Kailangan mo ng permit. Sobrang ganda, guys, dito. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda, no? Actually, nag-drive lang kami para matulog si Sarah. So ngayon, tulog na siya ngayon. Andun sa car. And pupunta tayo ng S-Market after dito. Sabi ko kay Nico, drive mo lang ng straight. Tapos diretso kami dito sa lake para mapakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang ganda, grabe. Ano nyo, guys, sobrang ganda. No joke yung color ng sky. Color blue na blue talaga siya. And it's reflecting doon sa water. Tapos merong dalawang swan doon. You know, may swan. Tapos doon merong dalawang ibon. Hindi ko alam ang pangalan ng ibon na yan. Tatanong ko kay Nico. Pero sobrang ganda, grabe. Yan yung swans. Pares talaga yan sila. Male and female. Very soon, magkakaroon na rin yan sila ng mga baby swans, yung mga ducklings. Tapos dun sa kabila, meron din dalawang ducks.
I've seen the wishing well, but I don't throw pennies down below. I've seen a shooting star, but I don't follow where it goes. I'm not the superstitious kind. You were always meant to be mine. La 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 la. Some people pray all day and cross their fingers tightly in a bow, but I've got open eyes and arms stretched wide because I know you will be there when I rise. You were always meant to be mine.
pie na plano ko kahapon. Hindi talaga nagawa, guys. Try ko naman today na gawin yun kasi ano, bantay bata, 163 talaga tayo palagi nito. So, dito na tayo sa labas ng S-Market. Grocery lang kami ng konti lang naman. Usually milk lang talaga ang bibilhin namin. Kasi may mga food naman sa bahay, guys, galing sa Havikirwa Kapayka. So, uubusin namin yun bago kami mag-grocery. Talaga pag nag-grocery talaga kami ng mga ano, ibang mga bilihin kapag wala nang food sa bahay. Pero usually may food kasi sa bahay, guys. So, hindi tayo mag-grocery ng marami. Usually cheese, milk, butter, yun yung mga binibili namin sa grocery. Gamit na ni Sarah yung binili namin kahapon. Perfect na yan for this weather. Na tayo sa S-Market, guys. Hintayin na natin si Nico. Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak, oh. Wow, so beautiful. Ang gaganda. Ang ganda, guys, ng mga bulaklak, yung mga tulips. Yan, oh, sobrang gaganda. Ang ganda nito. Bili tayo nitong isang beans, guys. What else? Nakakita ko ng discounted. Bilihin natin ito. Nakuha din si Nico ng cheese, guys. Kasi wala kami cheese sa bahay. Guys, nagkukulang na kami sa itlog dito. Ito na yung last supply ng egg dito, guys. After nito, wala ng itlog. Pero sa ibang store, meron naman. Pero dito sa store, ito na lang yung natitira na itlog nila. Bili din tayo nito, guys, kasi gagawa tayo ng blueberry pie. Ito na citrona ang bilihin natin. Basta may Ayla, guys, it's lactose free. Okay. Lawang yogurt din. Bili tayo ng mumurahin na soda. 149 apple cinnamon. Ito na, mabili natin. Mumurahin lang. Tikman natin. Di ba ako naka-try nito? Yan yung kape, guys. Ang mahal ng kape. Oh, $8.95. Kahabi pa lang, guys. Coffee pa lang, mahal na. Sarah, guys, tulog. Ganito lang talaga kami magpatulog, guys. Kailangan mag-drive sandali. Diretso na rin grocery. Tapos diretso bisita kay grandma. Mga ganyan lang. Para makatulog lang talaga si Sarah ng mahaba-haba. Hindi pa namin na-try is yung duyan. Kasi wala kaming paglalagyan ng duyan sa bahay. Tapos, hirap din maglagay ng duyan doon sa bahay, guys, kasi 100 years old na yung bahay namin. Hindi namin sure kung okay ba yun doon o hindi.
Mami said that no, your place is so boring.
Uncle, did I say like that? Oh, you're going to take me on a date? Date daw kami ni Nico, guys, mag-coffee shop. Yun lang.
Life with you, it's not very fancy.
Yeah, life with us is not very fancy. So, punta tayo ng Tulos, guys. Magkakape daw kami doon habang tulog si Sarah. Maganda na rin kasi yung weather. Oh, it's good idea. So, we can go to Tokmani. And more spending. Kain tayo ng sneakers. Gising na, guys. Kasi hindi talaga sa car magigising yan. We found this stone, guys. Oh.
I'm so old that I don't know this.
You don't know that one. In Finland, they make a lot of this, and they hide it somewhere.
Paint it and then you make your own like a scratch. Tai semmonen like a
yeah,
mark.
yeah. Yeah. What's the drawing?
It's a flower.
This one. So we found it over there. There's a box. And then
nobody is not even looking there for it.
yeah, I told Nico that he can take it, and it's read even here like a pida tay pilota. Keep or hide. Is it? Yeah. So we'll take it, guys. Somebody made this one. Someone from Finland. I don't know. Maybe she's from here or she just passed by this coffee shop. But maraming ganito sa Finland, and then they usually just hide it. It's like a treasure. You find a treasure, you know. It's a treasure. Someone else's treasure, and then now this is yours.
I don't never played at the Pokemon hunting.
You never Pokemon
They're
hunting?
walking there with this phone. It can be there in the market everywhere.
Curious na si Nico about dun sa mga drawing sa bato, guys. Ginugel niya talaga, tsaka hinanap niya sa Facebook. Interested na si Nico, guys. Just very simple thing, that stone, you know. Akala ko alam niya yung about sa mga stones na yan na merong drawing. Hindi pala alam ni Nico. Kasi very, ano yan siya, something special yan siya, guys, sa mga tao na gumagawa niyan. Kasi they made an effort to make a drawing on the stone and they hide it somewhere. Diba? So, it's something very simple that makes people happy. Kasi may nakita ako niyan before, doon sa group na yan, na yung mga nagsishare ng mga stones na yan or nag-iwan ng mga stones na somebody found a stone and then may nakalagay doon na word na something or greeting. And it made that person, yung nakahanap ng stone, yung nakakita ng stone na yun, it made that person happy. So it was Nico's first time to see this one today. Actually, it's my first time as well. It's our first time. It made...
The only who would know it.
Yeah, but you don't know. Oh, you will just like
I thought that it's a
decoration of the coffee shop. Yeah, but there may be some kind of meaning into it. It's a red flower, so I don't know what does it mean. but yeah, it was something nice, something very simple, but it can put a smile on your face. Did you smile, Daddy? You had a smile on your face finding the stone? Learn something?
For 1 minute, forget all this
yeah.
hoarding.
It's not enough for us. I need to make... Guys, nasa bahay na kami and I need to prepare some food. May chicken kami from the Habi Kiruwaka. So, ito, initin na lang to kasi luto na to siya. And... remember niyo yung mga gulay na nanggaling sa Habihi, lulutuin ko rin yun. Dito meron tayong cauliflower, carrots, and itong capsicums or yung bell pepper. Hinati ko siya sa dalawa kasi ito ihalo ko sa stir fry. Ito is ilalagay ko dun sa pie. And carrots na nanggaling din sa Habihi, and bumili ako ng beans today. So gagawa lang ako ng konting stir fry, parang chop suey style. And meron ako nabiling giniling na pork. Ito yung mga nabili natin sa groceries today. Sa grocery today. So, ito yung pork, guys, na giniling. Naka 30% off ito, kaya ako siya binili. And meron tayo mo isa nandito. Meron din tayo nitong haricot na beans. So, ihahalo ko siya dyan sa gulay ko. So, para siyang stir fry or chop suey, ganyan. So, yan yung magiging food for today. And, yeah. That's all. Very simple food. Very simple day dito sa amin. Dito sa countryside. That was all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Nico's clothes, you need to change it. Kasi there's milk
Oh,
everywhere. There's milk everywhere, guys. So Sarah is still sleeping as of the moment, which is good. So I can do some work, but in an hour, I need to feed her again. So breast milk ang kailangan ng ating baby love. So si Anika is nasa school pa, and habang natutulog yung isa, magre-ready din ako na food. But since meron pang leftover food doon, yun na lang din daw yung kakainin ni Nico kasi gutom na siya. So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Lindemans. Please don't forget to watch the next video as well. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you at the next one. Hey, hey!
I've seen the wishing well, but I don't throw pennies down below. I've seen a shooting star, but I don't follow where it goes. I'm not the superstitious kind you were always meant to be.